It's that lovely time of year when the leaves are falling and the Uggs come out. That's right, baby. It's pumpkin spice time. Today, I'm making a pumpkin party punch. You can make this for Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving. Heck, make it anytime you freaking want. This is for all my PSL lovers. I'm Natalie with Grillslingers. Let's get started on this drink. The holidays can be chaotic, so with that in mind, I've made this recipe super simple and quick. Here's everything that we're gonna be using for this recipe. Let's start with the apple cider. We're gonna use 4 cups of this. We have orange juice. All right, I used 2 cups of the orange juice, and now we can move on to the rum. We're gonna use 2 cups of this as well. And then we're gonna do 1/2 cup of vodka. And then we're gonna use this pumpkin filling, which I should say it's pumpkin puree. So it's easy to get confused with the pumpkin puree versus the pumpkin pie filling. They're different. The pumpkin pie filling has spices already, and we're gonna be adding our own. So make sure that when you go to the store, you just find the pumpkin puree. That's what we're using today. All right, and we're gonna use the entire can of this. Ooh. You may want to put the pumpkin puree first so you don't get splashed. All right, so that's that. And then next is the champagne bottles. I use Prosecco. You can use any champagne, but I tend to like this one. And if I could get some help, please, opening these.
My favorite part.
Yeah, careful. All right, now it's time to pour this in. And mix it up. Oh, and one last thing. We're gonna add the actual pumpkin spice in here. And it'll be about, we're throwing in about 1/4 teaspoon of here, so not too much. Is everything like all mixed in? No. You guys are all. All right, it's tasting time. Pumpkin pie in a glass. You taste the spiced rum. It complements the pumpkin spice that we put in there. You get some of the apple cider and the orange juice that we used, and it all goes really well together. All right, so if you like pumpkin spice, make this at home. Thanks for watching, guys. All of the measurements that we used today for everything is in the description. To join our Grillslingers community and keep up with more recipes like this one, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye.